Okay. Okay, that's right. Alam, kamali ako. Okay. Where's the letter A? Where's the letter A? Now, where's the letter A? Now, where's the letter A? Oh, alam ko, nandito na yung iba. Pinapa ko lang. Okay. Left, still left. Very good, very good. Okay. What if I do it in slow motion? You like that? So you can see how I do it. You like that? Look. I will get the letter A and I put it over here. So, where's the letter A? Where? No, I put it here. That's not. That's not here. You see? Okay. Okay. One more time. One more time. One more time. Like that. Like that. Okay. Okay. Gusto mo hindi nakahabol ng tingin. Okay. Okay. I teach the trick. I teach the trick. You want me to teach the trick? I'll show you how I do it. Sometimes, when I mix the cards, this is what I do. When I mix the cards, sometimes I get two. Okay, you can see that. Okay, now, to make it easier, I put one down, like this. Okay, I put one down. I only have two cards. Okay, I have two cards. Okay. Now, where's the letter A? Left or right? Very good. Now, where's the letter A? Very good. Now, where's the letter A? Now, where's the letter A? No, up. 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 It's already up. Okay. Kino-confuse ko lang kayo. Okay, okay. Where's the letter A? Up or down? Up. Okay. You see it feeling? Okay, okay. Okay, go. I'll mix it. 1 and 2. Okay. Where's